and welcome back to Fashion Attack. Today we are gonna transform so many freaking jeans! From tie-dye to cutouts to painting on top of them. We're gonna make so many designs. Let's start! For the first design, you're going to need a pair of jeans and some markers that can color on fabric. I suggest you to start with the biggest prints that you want to make on the jeans. So make the writings po, whoa, yes, all over. And then go and cover it with the color on the outside and the inside. If you need some inspiration, you can just Google for pop art and you're going to find so many fonts to get inspired with. I finished the jeans adding a lot of little lines and triangulars to connect the bigger writings in between them, and you can always go and add as much color as you want inside of it. That's how you go from boring to super cool. For this project instead, we are going to have to put some plastic to not damage the table while we're doing our project and fold the jeans in half back in a diagonal way, not frontly. Then we're going to go and add some bleach together with a little bit of water and color only one side, so the front part of your jeans. Turn around your jeans and do exactly the same thing on the other half, always leaving the back not colored. Once you see that it's bleaching off, you can go and wash it, throw it also in the washing machine, and the result is this. Moving on to an easy peasy design. All you're going to have to do is cut out the pockets of your jeans from the front, but do not cut away the waistline. That one is going to stay up to hold your jeans. And you can't believe what a cool and sexy transformation it's going to give to your jeans. You're basically going to go from boring to bada-boom. Now, let's get crafty! You can decide absolutely any color in which you want to make this effect on your jeans. You just have to get a rope, wrap it around your hand so that all of them have the same distance, and then cut them out so that you have all the threads identical to each other. Then you take up your needle and go and sew them all along the waistline of your jeans and on the side. You always have to secure them on the back every few rounds so that you're sure that they're not gonna fall out. But if you're a lazy one, like me, there's always another technique. You can go ahead and get your hot glue gun to stick all the threads on your jeans. You just have to place them, pull, push, press a little bit with your fingers till they dry, and then there you go. One style that I have been seeing everywhere, literally everywhere this summer, is the open leg from the knee down. So all you're gonna have to do is try your jeans on, mark where your knee is, and go open all the rest of your legs from there down. Go and mark the same identical spot on the other leg, and then once you're done, don't forget to go and make 2-3 stitches so that it's not gonna open all the way to the top. And yeah, you're done. For this style, I decided to actually take 2 different jeans and use the bottom of the lighter color to add it on the darker one. But you can totally do it out of the same jeans. Basically, you cut out the bottom, but it's going to be too tiny, so you're going to have to cut it out twice and put the 2 lines together so that you have a longer thread. Do the same thing to the other one. And then we go and cut out completely the side hip. Once it's open, you're going to have to fold it on itself, making a V, and then stitch it all the way from the top to the opening and make sure that it's closed completely and it's not going to open halfway through. Then you're going to make 4 holes on each side, and that's where we're going to pass our thread inside. Go and lace it up exactly like you do with your sneakers, and once you are to the top, you just make a cute little bow and wear it. That's all you need. Ta-ta. I'll be calling this one the Flames because that's what we're gonna draw on top of it. Make sure that you're gonna be adding some little paper in between the front and the back, because sometimes the marker just goes through and you would see it on your butt, which you don't want. I started making the outline of the flame in the shape that I most wanted and going completely around. At this point, it was like a child's game where you just have to color inside the shape. And that's what I did, all on one side, all on the other one, and actually gave it also a second layer because I thought it wasn't black enough. But there you go. There we go with another tie-dye. First of all, cover again your table with a plastic bag or a trash can, and then this time we're gonna go in with the bleach and water, but sprinkle it around. You're gonna need something to apply it because we just wanna make a few lines on the front and the back of your jeans. So just sprinkle it here and there, wait for it a little to dry, or spread it a little bit around if you see that there is too much of a big drop somewhere. And then you go and turn it around, and we are gonna do exactly the same thing also on the back. There you go. We're gonna have to let it dry for a while till we see that it starts actually bleaching out, and then we wash it, throw it later in the washing machine, and you go. There we go with another super sexy cutout. We're gonna cut out the butt. No, we're not gonna show your butt. We're just gonna cut out the upper part of your butt. This means that you need a very high-waisted pants, and it's not gonna show anything. We go and cut out exactly in between the sewings that are ready for designs, and then, believe me, it just works. Oh, we're almost at the end, and I was having so much fun. For this design, you're gonna have to choose one that it's already wide leg. We're gonna cut out the bottom that we have to hold because we're gonna need them, and then we are gonna use a little trick. Use an A4 paper, fold it then in 1/4, and you have one A4 and a 1/4, and that's the height at which you wanna go and sew the little lines that you cut out before. We're sewing this on the back of your jeans, and once you did this for both the two legs, we are gonna have to go and turn around, not yet, turn around your jeans and go cut with your scissors exactly where we sewed the sewing on the back. You are gonna wear it, tie them on the front, and you're done. Another episode is over, and I hope you had fun. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials of fashion, interior design, home makeovers, anything. Let me know which was your favorite. I am obsessed with this one with the pockets cut out on the front. So simple, so sexy, and such a statement piece. See you next time.